Hi everyone! Today I'm making a trellis for this area here where I have the delphinium. And the delphinium is beautiful. It's a mix. It's in between my two garage doors. And I got a Sweet Autumn Clematis and planted it behind it, and I want it to kind of climb on that area of the house up above the garage doors. Here it is in the snow, looking kind of sad. It didn't get too big this year, but I'm hopeful. It's supposed to grow up to 30 feet. This was the delphinium sprouting, and here I am cleaning it up. You may have seen the video I did on that. And then here's the clematis, cutting it up 6 inches from the ground. You can see the little sprouts there. And that's what it looks like. Planted some cute little pansies. There's Rosie. Hi, Rosie. And here you can see we added a little metal thing for the clematis to climb. And there's the delphinium. But see, it made it to the top pretty fast, and those little sticks that I put in there didn't work. So I gathered a bunch of sticks, cut them all up to the same size, and tied them together with fishing line. I really wanted it to look kind of natural, so that's why I used the fishing line, so that you wouldn't be able to see it and it just looked like floating sticks or something. After I started cutting the fishing line, tying, I realized it's probably better just to cut a bunch at one time. So just take one end of the fishing line, tie it to one stick, and then tie it to the other stick, and cut off any loose ends, and then keep repeating, and repeating, and repeating. And then once you finish one side, do the same exact thing on the other side. So there was actually a little nail sticking out where we hang our Christmas wreath, so I just hung it up, used the stick to help me reach it. And there it is. Yes, you see correctly, that is a horse on a sundial. Okay, so now I'm just trimming off the ends. I didn't actually measure the space between the garage, I just kind of eyed it, but they're all too long, so. And now I'm just kind of trying to get the clematis over the sticks so that it'll end up climbing, and now I'm just taking out the sticks and organizing branches. Ta-da!